How to start an LLC in Texas. Starting an LLC in Texas is a strategic move for entrepreneurs seeking liability protection and operational flexibility. This guide outlines the essential steps to establish your business legally, from choosing a unique name to opening a dedicated bank account. Follow these steps to set a strong foundation for your venture. First, choose a business name. The first step in starting your LLC in Texas is to choose a unique name that complies with state regulations. Your business name must include limited liability company or its abbreviations such as LLC. It's essential to ensure that the name is not already in use by another entity. You can check the availability of your desired name through the Texas Secretary of State's website. If you're not ready to file your LLC yet, you have the option to reserve the name for 120 days for a fee of $40. Designate a registered agent. Next, you need to designate a registered agent for your LLC. This individual or business entity will be responsible for receiving important legal documents and official correspondence in behalf of your company. The registered agent must have a physical address in Texas and be available during regular business hours. This ensures that your LLC remains compliant with the state laws and can be reached easily if needed. Choosing a reliable registered agent is crucial, as they play a key role in maintaining your business's legal standing. File the certificate of formation. The third step involves filing the certificate of formation, known as Form 205, with the Texas Secretary of State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes essential information such as the LLC's name, registered agent details, and business purpose. You can file this form online or by mail, and the filing fee is $300. Once submitted, it typically takes a few days for processing. Upon approval, you will receive confirmation that your LLC has been officially formed, allowing you to move forward with your business plans. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by Texas law, creating an operating agreement is highly advisable for your LLC. This internal document outlines how your business will be managed and details the rights and responsibilities of its members. It can cover various topics, including profit distribution, decision-making process, and procedures for adding or removing members. Having a clear operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings among members and provides a solid framework for running your business smoothly. It also demonstrates professionalism to potential investors or partners if you seek funding in the future. Obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN. The fifth step is to obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN from the IRS. An EIN is essential for tax identification purposes and is required if you plan to hire employees or open a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website at no cost. The process is quick and straightforward, usually taking only a few minutes to complete. Once you receive your EIN, keep it safe, as it will be necessary for various tax filings and other business-related activities moving forward. Register for taxes. Depending on the nature of your business activities, you may need to register for state taxes with the Texas Comptroller's Office. This step ensures that you comply with any applicable tax obligations specific to your industry. For example, if you plan to sell goods or services subject to sales tax, you will need to obtain a sales tax permit. Additionally, if you have employees, you will need to register for payroll taxes. Understanding your tax requirements early on will help you avoid potential fines and ensure smooth operations as your business grows. Open a business bank account. Finally, open a dedicated business bank account to separate your personal finances from those of your LLC. This separation is crucial for maintaining liability protection and simplifying accounts practices. When opening the account, you'll typically need your EIN, certificate of formation, and operating agreement. Having a business bank account not only enhances professionalism but also helps track income and expenses more effectively. This organization will make tax time much easier and provide clarity on your financial situations as your business develops over time. Establishing an LLC in Texas is a straightforward process that provides valuable protections and benefits. By following these essential steps, you can successfully launch your business and focus on growth, ensuring a solid foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.